Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Zycus company, which is hiring for the fresher candidates. Job designation is a test engineer, and they are hiring fresher candidates only. Job location will be Bangalore, and this is full-time position, not a contract position. So if you want to read about the Zycus company, you can read here. But what will be your roles and responsibilities as a test engineer? So as a test engineer at Zycus, you will be a part of agile team which ideates, design and develop innovative solution for Zycus products and develop software to test the code. You need to write test cases, test scripts, all those things that will be performed by test engineer. You need to write automation framework. If you don't know what is automation framework, you can search on the Google, so that you will get a clear idea. So I recommend you all guys, whenever you go for the interview, learn try to take some knowledge about the testing. Learn about the software testing life cycle, software development life cycle, what are the phases included, what is the meaning or actual meaning of each phase. So there are multiple testing: unit testing, integration testing, black box testing, white box testing, automation testing, regression testing. So all these testing they might ask during your interview, so that's why I am telling you. You can read at least once before attending the interview. Do automation testing to improve the product quality. Write automated integration test, API test. Okay, API test also you need to write. You can also search on the Google what is API testing or what is UI automation testing. Okay, so in the agile environment, where we work in short sprints or iterations, and each sprint is focused on only a few requirements or a user stories. The role of a test engineer becomes very important, as they help in increasing the efficiency as well as readability for the applications under test by replacing manual repetitive tasks with automation. In this role, you will be primarily responsible for automating test cases as well as writing reusable scripts or tools that help the team to reduce effective repetitive efforts. Okay, so on Google you can search like what is a test case, how to write test case, then what is a test script, how to write the test script, then what are the testing tools, real time testing tools. If suppose interviewer ask you what are the testing tools, then you need to answer that. So you can search on the Google that what are the testing tools. So if you know, interviewer might ask that explain about this testing tool, then you can explain very easily. So please try to gain some knowledge about any testing tool. Okay, so then education background in BE BTech in CSIT. Your pass out year should be 2019 and 2020 pass out. Job location is Mumbai or Bangalore. Requirements: skills and knowledge required to be successful for this role. You should have strong programming skills and automation mindset. In testing role, there is no it doesn't come under the development part. Okay, developer will develop some application, then tester means test engineer will test that application. Test engineer will try to find out the error bug in that application. That application should be error free. Okay, unit test engineer will maintain the quality of any application. Okay, so I'm just giving you an idea about what in test engineer do. Should have solid understanding of testing principles. As I earlier said that please, whenever you go for the interview, please read at least once the software testing life cycle, what is the bug life cycle. Okay, then testing principles and methodologies. If you don't know anything, just directly search on the Google, you will get everything. Can code in at least one scripting or programming language, Java, JavaScript or TypeScript. You should have basic knowledge. then should be highly proficient at debugging issues, be familiar with API testing. So before going for the interview, please read about API testing, what is API testing, how to write the test cases. Then should be able to write UI as well as API automated test. Please search on the Google about how to write UI and API automated test cases, so that if suppose interviewer asks you, then you can answer easily. Should understand CI/CD concept and build principles, then should know the services offered by cloud platform providers such as AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. Also try to gain some basic idea about these Google clouds. Then should have strong problem solving and analytical skills, understand architecture of web applications and general client server model, should be aware of basic object oriented programming concept, should be comfortable in working with the teams using the sprint scrum methodology of agile. Please also try to get knowledge on agile methodology and scrum methodology, as this is very very useful in each and every organization. So please try to take some knowledge on, like search on the Google what is agile methodology, scrum methodology. Okay, so please prepare for that. Benefits: what benefits you will get as a test engineer, 5 reasons why you should join Zycus. Cloud product company, this is a cloud product company. We are a cloud SaaS company, and our products are created by using the latest technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence. Our UI is AngularJS and we are developing our mobile apps using React. So this is basically a product company, and this is an excellent opportunity for fresher candidates, so please don't miss this chance. A market leader, then move between roles. We believe that change leads to a growth, and therefore we allow our employees to shift careers and move to different roles and functions within the organization. Suppose if you get any role and you are not interested, then you can switch your career within the same organization. You can switch your career from one domain to another domain. So they are giving you this opportunity, as all organizations do not allow. So but Zycus company is allowing this point, so I am really impressed and I really appreciate about this point. Get a global exposure, then create an impact. Okay, so they have provided the company information here, so click here to apply for this job. So then you will redirect to here this page, or you can, as we have already seen that the overview, once you go up you can click on application. So what you need to do, you need to upload your resume. You can upload your resume, click on my computer and upload. Okay, then fill all these details, first name, last name, give your mail ID correct, please give your mail ID correct, enter your mobile number, address is optional as they have mentioned here, then upload your resume here again. Then what is your total experience, if you are a fresher, write as a fresher. Then what is your current company, you can write not applicable. Relevant experience in automation testing, you can write 0 if you are a fresher. Have you done any certification or internship or experience in JavaScript or TypeScript? If yes, then select yes, if no, then select no. What is your notice period, you can write 0 if you are a fresher, then write 0. If you are an experienced, you can write as per your company criteria. What is your current CTC, if you are a fresher, write 0. Expected CTC, please write your expected CTC 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh as per your choice. What is your current location, please write your current location. Is your current location Mumbai or Bangalore, you can select your answer. What is your qualification, whether you have completed your BTech, ME, MTech, like that. What is your year of passing, Write here university name, what is your college name, have you done any certification, internship or experience in testing, you can write it here. Okay, so this is basically a very good opportunity for all of you. So dear guys, please don't miss this chance. Zycus is a very good company, and please apply for this drive. You will get this link in the description box below, and thanks for watching this video.